Today, we're trying viral Arab recipes. Don't forget to thumb this video. I saw this delicious meatball dish and I have to try it.
The laziest way to make a kefta sandwich.
I'm Persian, which means I wake up in the mornings thinking about kebab, but it takes time and effort to make. This sheetpan kefta efficiently knocks out that craving. I add onion, parsley, garlic, and just a few spices. I like to work that together before I add in the meat for more even flavored distribution. Traditionally, you'd skewer and grill these, but if you're lazy like me, form it into a block and use a spatula to cut into 8-inch keftas. Love that this method is hands-off because as the keftas go, I have the time to work on some baller condiment. 90% of the way, I finish them over a broil for that caramelized outside. Soak those juices up with your bread of choice and build your perfect sandwich. I was so excited here that I forgot the onions. Optionally, toast your sandwich in a pan to help it seal together, and you're left with what is now one of my proudest creations in this series.
Welcome back to our kitchen. Your favorite girlies are back, and this has been a very highly requested episode, guys. First off, we're making juicy meatballs. These are called koftas, not to be mistaken with kebabs, which are normally just grilled pieces of meat on a skewer. Koftas use mincemeat. Koftas are super popular in the Middle East, especially common in places like Palestine, Lebanon, and Egypt. And I think it's important that we take a moment to acknowledge that. Given everything that's going on right now, I think it's really important to appreciate that food is such a beautiful way to keep cultures and stories alive, even when people are going through so much. So today's video is just really about appreciating all that through these amazing dishes. In the video, you saw him grate an onion. I've never actually grated an onion, and we on this channel have a little bit of like a grate trauma.
Grating PTSD.
We have a grating PTSD, and so I just opted to finally dice mine. If you guys know what happened to Zen, you know what happened to Zen with the grater. She grated a piece of her finger off.
I'm just like reliving it again.
A chunk of her meat came out. We'll flash up a little photo. It's not cheese you're looking at. I mean, cheese is the top one. This little thing here is Zen's skin.
My thumb is...
I can't unsee that.
I have a piece of cheesecloth and I will make Zen disappear. Oh, that was the worst. I have a piece of cheesecloth and I will make Zen disappear. The worst magician ever, but Lila would appreciate that. In goes our onion. Basically, we want to squeeze the life out of it so the juices come out.
Ooh,
There we go, there we go. Throw that back in our bowl. Then we're gonna grate this one. I will do this. Gonna grate some garlic. Garlic girlies. That should be another t-shirt. Zen and I have been discussing about getting some like t-shirts or aprons made with like Queens of Chaos. Should we have garlic girlies as one? In goes some parsley. To this, we're going to add a blend of spices. I've got ground cumin, coriander, cinnamon, paprika, salt and pepper. Add in olive oil. Ready for surgery.
I like how you always call it surgery, but it's plastic gloves.
And like, if you're getting surgery and your doctor's using these gloves, run.
It like gets stuck to your wound.
I'm going to operate on your heart now. Work that in. Smells good. Oh, that spices, that aroma. Then we're gonna add in our minced meat. We're using beef mince, but you can also use like a mix of beef and lamb or even chicken. Work that in. As I'm doing this, Zen is lining up our tray with baking paper. As I'm looking at this, I'm like, oh, I should have just grated that onion because our onion is gonna be a bit more textured, not super authentic. But what's done is done, guys. Apologies. It's because I didn't want to grate, like, you know, another finger off.
Oh, we can't be twinsies then.
We can't be twinsies. I just don't want.
You just don't want to be a twin with me.
4. We're going with 4.
Beautiful, beautiful.
We're also going to cook some tomatoes on this side. Gonna olive oil everything. So these are going in the oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes or until they're almost 90% cooked, and then I'm gonna broil them to get that color. Now we're gonna take all this off and then we're gonna soak our wraps in all the juice left in the pan. Ow! Oh my gosh, it smells so good, guys. Now it's time to build our perfect sandwich. So we did a tahini sauce with paprika, garlic, and lemon. Popping on 2 pieces. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. And then we've got some onions and parsley. Yes. Now the hard bit is wrapping this. How to wrap this? Do I wrap that first?
Yeah.
Wrap this baby up.
Thick.
Oh, yes. Okay, we're gonna finish it off with the pan. My baby. Oh, it's just sizzling.
He's clutching my pearls.
He's
He's clutching my pearls.
already trying to rob you. We have a special guest. Everyone, this is Desmond. He is very much interested in food. He's 5 months, so in a month's time, he's gonna start solids. You're gonna join mommy in the kitchen when you get older, huh? You gonna help me cook? Mine is so fat compared to yours then. Check this out. OMG. I'm so ready to try this, but I want more sauce on mine. I'm like a sauce girly. I'm so excited.
Oh.
I have to devour this. Cheers! It's good.
Oh my god, the flavors.
The spices, oh, it's like a part in my mouth. I feel like it's well seasoned. The spices, it has a little bit of a kick, but not. It's just like peppery, kind of like, it's juicy. And I'm just kicking myself for not grating the onions. I'm sorry, guys. I just want to make a public apology, but it does taste pretty amazing. Oh. Beauty product vibes. Do you want to rate it? I feel like we rate it and then we can devour it. What can I say? It's a delicious meatball wrap. I think you know. It's a double thumbs up, baby. Definitely try this at home and don't be a rookie like me. Grate your onions. Just don't grate your finger. Here's an easy salad/dip recipe that will impress.
So you may be wondering what you're gonna make this winter when we're all stuck at home, and I'm telling you that Zalouk, a Moroccan tomato eggplant dip, should be at the top of your list. It also happens to be one of the dips that I'm always gonna make someone when I'm trying to impress them and cooking for them, if you know what I mean. The 2 stars of the show are tomato and eggplant, and they're actually 2 ingredients that I just found out my family in Morocco grow for a living. Now I'm sorry to say that peeling the tomato and eggplant is non-negotiable, however, de-seeding the tomato is, so pick your battles. And then you're gonna heat some olive oil and add some cumin seeds, coriander, and some chili powder. I prefer to have whole seeds because I like the flavor of biting into a cumin seed, but if you want to grind it, go for it. Now for the easy part, we're gonna let everything become best friends. So that's the eggplant, tomato, parsley with some water and let it simmer for 30 minutes while you entertain your guests. Once it's mushy, add some tomato paste for color, lemon juice for brightness, toast some sourdough, and dive in.
Is that a salad or is it a dip? People say it's both. It's best if you use the globe eggplants. I couldn't find them here in Vietnam, but these will work too. I'm gonna peel them and chop them up.
Isn't it easier to chop it long way first?
I probably should have, but I don't do things the easy way, clearly. To peel the tomatoes, we're gonna briefly boil them and then shock them in an ice bath. The ice bath makes it easier to peel the skin off. Then we're gonna chop them up, remove the seeds, and then you get this. In goes olive oil. We're gonna add in cumin seeds, coriander seeds. Then we're gonna add in chili powder, garlic.
Oh, I smell it already.
So fragrant. I'm gonna add in the tomatoes, our eggplant. In goes some parsley, then some water, and then we're gonna let that cook for half an hour. Half an hour feels so long right now. I just want to eat it.
Close the lid, please.
Yeah, that's not even the lid, but that.
It doesn't even fit properly.
I don't know where the lid to that is. That
Okay.
will just do. It actually looks so pretty.
Yeah.
Check that out. I'm really excited to try this because I like eggplant.
I love dips.
This looks more like a dip than a salad to me right now.
Cheers. Not bad.
Not bad, tomatoey. I can't really taste the eggplant.
It just feels like a tomato soup.
It's like a chunky tomato dip. Where's the eggplant? It's not bad, but in my mind, I was picturing like an eggplant dip, like baba ganoush, more smoky flavor. Maybe because we didn't actually like grill our eggplant, it didn't give it a smoky flavor. And I feel like this needs a smoky flavor, even though I've never actually tried the original dish. People say it's supposed to be baba ganoush's cousin. It's not giving me cousin right now. Doesn't even seem that related to me.
Long distance cousin.
Long distance right now.
I don't know, it feels a little bit plain to me. Like I was expecting more like spices and like flavor, you know, like this feels just mild.
It's giving me like tomato salsa vibes.
Yeah, like tomato soup,
Yeah.
tomato salsa.
Yeah, it's not bad. Where's the eggplant? Where are you, Eggplant? I see you, but I don't taste you. Guys, let us know. Is there like another recipe we should follow? In saying that, it's still very good. It's just don't think eggplant is the star. It's more like tomato is the star. What are we gonna rate this? I was expecting something else. So I feel like I was let down a little bit, but I think it deserves like a 1.
Yeah, I'm doing one of them
One.
too. Like, I still think it's yummy. It's just we were expecting more.
I feel like this would be a really good pasta sauce, like on top.
yeah.
Oh, yes. If you love pastry for dessert, check this recipe out.
Let's make pistachio baklava. It's one of my favorite desserts and you only really need a couple of ingredients to make it. Blitzing your pistachios until coarse and then setting them aside. Lay down your first layer of phyllo pastry and then brush with clarified butter or ghee. Repeat until you've got 15 layers, and on your 15th layer, sprinkle over your pistachios and then another layer of phyllo pastry and another layer of ghee and then another layer of phyllo pastry and then some more ghee. I think you're all sensing a pattern here. For our top layer, brush with ghee and then cut into squares. They're a little bit wonky, but they'll do. Pop your baklava in the oven to bake for 40 minutes and then move on to your simple sugar syrup. This is going to be poured over our baklava when it's piping hot and then set it aside for 2 to 3 hours to cool. Once your baklava is cooled, you can decorate with crushed pistachios and that's it.
Guys, I deshelled all the pistachios.
Yes, it took her a while. Baklava, or is it baklava? Baklava?
Baklava?
Baklava? I feel like I've tried it years and years ago, but I don't remember what the taste was like. Zen, you always see it in Singapore too, right? But you've never tried it.
I've never tried it. I'm excited to try it. I love pistachios.
So we need to use phyllo pastry for this. I have never used phyllo pastry. I was thinking, is it the same as puff pastry? It's not. It's not the same. Allow phyllo to thaw completely at room temperature in its packaging before using. Minimum 4 hours. We don't have 4 hours. Oh no. I thought it'd be like puff pastry that you just leave it out on the bench for like, I don't know, 15-20 minutes and then you can use it. I think it's best if we just do this recipe tomorrow because we don't have 4 hours to defrost this.
So we will see you tomorrow.
It's the next day and we're back because our phyllo pastry has defrosted, so let's continue. First, we're gonna blitz these pistachios up. Here we go, here we go, here we go. No, it's not even plugged in. I was so ready for it.
Same.
Body was tensing up and everything. Here we go again. We don't want it too fine, right? Now all we have to do is assemble it in our tin. You guys know how we have like one brain cell together? We bought a tin online and this is what came. Basically, we didn't want to make a big batch because it's just Zen and I here, Alfred and Lila, they're in Singapore at the moment. So we thought we'd buy a smaller, I was expecting it like this size. This came when you're on a diet. But you know what, now we're going full size. We're using this one.
So much for trying to downsize.
I know. I'm just gonna paint on a layer of butter. We're using unsalted butter. First time working with this, guys. It's very delicate and you're supposed to let it defrost in its packaging. Do not unravel it. Be delicate. Proceeds to completely break it. It's fine, we're gonna cut it. They're so delicate. Okay, Zen, I think I need your help. Oh, it was already broken. I didn't do it, guys. Okay, it was already like fragile and it's already cracked. Wait. Help me peel that piece. This is what we're working with, guys. It's already ripped in between and all of them are like that. So delicate. Lay them down. Okay, then we're gonna have to tag team. It's fun, right, guys? It's fun, right? Everyone watching us, please hold your breath for us as we make this.
15 layers of this.
I feel like it's a skirt.
It's a pleated skirt.
It's a tennis skirt right now. I would never be able to do this by myself, FYI, especially because my phyllo pastry is cracked. That was 2.
2. Who's keeping track?
Can someone count for us?
15 layers.
We're gonna continue this factory line and then we'll be back on the 15th layer. Zen is brushing on the butter on our 15th layer. I feel like I'm a flower girl, but with pistachios. Or it's like I'm feeding the chickens. Come here, come get your seeds. We have too much pistachios. How thick is this layer?
Surely there's one layer of pistachio, is it?
And then it's just decorating on top. Okay, this is kind of fun to make if you have someone to help you. Wow. Yes. Okay, remember to save some for the decoration on top. Now, here we go again. And then butter, and then we continue. Basically, we're gonna add the final layers, and then we will be back. Again. We're gonna cut this up. The concentration, the silence.
I know.
Wow.
All different sizes.
Yeah, it's homemade for sure. They're all kind of moving.
Oh no.
Do you reckon when we bake it, it might fly up? And
Ah.
okay, guys, this is not easy to cut, huh? Very eclectic in size.
Homemade, homemade.
This is definitely homemade. Now we're gonna bake this for 40 minutes at 170 degrees. It looks so good. We've already made our syrup. Now we just gotta pour the syrup in whilst it's hot. It's looking really good, guys. I think we're on track. Only thing is we have to wait another few hours for that to completely cool before we can decorate and try it. Guys, help me out. How am I saying this? Baklava? Baklava.
Baklava.
Baklava?
Baklava.
Baklava. We're gonna turn into like the Sim talk.
Yeah.
They're cooled down. Now we just decorate. But I don't know why, but after they cool down, I could see some of the pastries that are like lifting up. It's like reaching for the sky.
Levitating, yo.
She's levitating. I don't know if that's normal. Let's get decorating. Oh, they look so pretty.
Yeah, actually, the
Actually,
decorating helps.
The crushed pistachio, guys. Wow. Suddenly, it's like, okay, I wouldn't say it's store made like professionally, but it looks good. I will say that this recipe isn't hard to make. It just takes a bit longer, and I feel like you need to do it with a buddy. It looks good.
Now that you're decorating, it looks extra yummy.
More appetizing now.
Boing, boing, boing.
Moment of truth, guys. Taste test. What?
We definitely made enough for us.
It is actually so good. I love all the layers of texture. It's got that nuttiness. It's like all roasted now. The pistachios on top are great. I am so shocked. But you know what? The thing that surprises me, it doesn't taste super buttery.
Yeah. Even
Right?
though we were layering
We added
so
much butter.
so light and like crispy and like airy and like crunchy.
The
Got texture.
textures is just like, there's just a party in your mouth. The base is so crunchy.
I really like it.
I like it.
Lucky we made so much.
I'm glad we didn't make that small tin because we would have been crying. Also, it's a nice touch, like the sugar syrup is not too sweet. You add a little bit of like rose water. It's like a little bit more aromatic.
That's really good.
Zen's like, she's gonna go for a third.
Those 15 layers.
That was worth all that layering, guys. I'm glad we didn't give up on this one. No doubt it's a double thumbs up, guys. Must try this at home. Fairly easy, just a little bit time consuming, but so worth stomach space.
Y'all gotta do a big pan.
Yeah, maybe two. Pastry, dessert.
Try another one.
Try another one? Yeah, we're gonna half the pan. You eat half, I'll eat half. Well, that is it to this kitchen chaos episode. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let us know what countries or like cuisines should we try next. We haven't tried Thailand. We haven't tried Thai. Thailand. Do you want to see a Thai episode? It might be hot. For now, check out our other videos. There's a whole playlist you can binge watch. Subscribe if you're new here, and don't forget to thumb this video. We'll speak to you guys next time. Bye.